A chroeso fy mhobol annwyl. Hello, how goes it? And welcome, my dear people. Cyfres Rhif 4, Pennod 40. Series number 4, episode 40. Peidiwch. Don't. Yes, the episode today is called Don't, but in Welsh that's paid or peidiwch. So, mutations and the introduction. A chroeso. So the word and has caused aspirate mutation of croeso to chroeso, C to a CH. Fy mhobol, my people. So nasal mutation of pobl to mhobol, P to a MH. That's after the possessive pronoun first person singular of my in Welsh. That's fy, F-Y. And I said fy mhobol annwyl. So that's my dear people sort of thing. Annwyl is in the first few lines of the national anthem. It's a good word. What else have we got? No more mutations there. So, yes, this peidio. Right, so, peidiwch, paid and peidiwch. You might sound familiar to you. That's the ending for plural or formal commands. So we've had dysgu, when I said dysgu Gymraeg, and gyflym, when we're saying learn Welsh Fast as instruction 1, so we've added a few other places as well. And that ending means you're commanding someone, you're commanding a group of people, or your formal command. It's on signs like don't walk on the grass and don't smoke, all these sort of public signs when you see them in Welsh. You used to have peidiwch at the beginning of them because they're commanding many people, an undisclosed number of people who might read the sign. Right, so it comes from the word peidio, which is peidio, which is the word for stop, refrain, or cease, which is a verb noun. And you usually use it with a preposition for with. So the word a with a circumflex of it, to bach, acengrom, or hirnod. The different names for the marking above it. So just the letter A in this little roof above it. It means with. And when we use it in front of a vowel, you change the word altogether and the roof goes and we just say ag, A-G. So there's 2 words for and 2 words for don't, and you change them up. And you can drop and then... Sorry, not for and. 2 words for kind of with. So the kind of literal translation of it might be stop with or cease with. So that's meaning don't. Yeah. So cease with the racket. Don't make a racket. You know. That kind of thing. Right. So got lots of new words, phrases. So I'm saying things like paid a foini. So this a word, this preposition, lots of verb nouns have a little favourite preposition that works with them. Siarad a, as it works with this as well. Umlav a, to fight with or talk with. Likes to use this a with it, which is a, like I say, with the roof over it. And paid and peidiwch like to use it, but you can drop it all together. But because the a causes aspirate mutation, so peidiwch, which means don't worry in the North dialect, you can drop that all together, the a and the mutation as well, so it just becomes peidiwch. But yeah, that's sort of very sort of colloquial, and you need to know both really, because you'll see both a lot and you'll hear both a lot. Right. And what is a song on the episode today? Peidiwch oven. Don't Be Afraid by Eden, or Eden in English. And they're from Diolch, which is in the north, sort of middle north, slight northeast area. Yeah, northeast it is, top northeast. That's where that is, and that's where they're from, and they say it. That's what they say in their song. It was off their first album, was named that as well. It's a common phrase. Don't be afraid. Right, on to today's listening exercise. We have Peidiwch a phoeni. Bydd popeth yn iawn. Don't worry, everything will be okay. Dywedodd hi gelwydd ar y ffôn. She said a lie on the phone. Roedd hi wedi bod yn mynd adre. She had been going home. Roedd hi yn ei ffryd pen blwydd. Cymwch hwnna cacen gaws gyda mefus gwyllt. She was at her birthday meal. Lobster, then cheesecake with wild strawberries. Yes. So I've used some of the words that pop up in the next bit. So, yay, the comedy episode is back. So up to episode number 16 now, about halfway through this program. And episode 16, the comedy is back. So got some vocab from that there. But before I go on to that, I'm going to read out some more of these paid and peidiwch things. So, paid a phoeni, which is don't worry, but in the south you'd hear more like Peidiwch or Peidiwch, and get rid of the a, and that's for most south dialects. And you could have paid phoeni, Peidiwch, paid a dade instead of paid a dweud, instead of for say. So in the north dialects you might drop the W from dweud to make dade. So paid a dade, don't say. Paid a bod ofn, told you that one, don't be afraid. Paid a gofyn, don't ask. Paid a gadael, don't leave. Paid a bwyta, don't eat. Paid a mynd, don't go. Paid a dilyn y dorf, don't follow the crowd. Paid a rhedeg, don't run. Paid a gweiddi, don't shout. Paid a bod yn hwyr, don't be late. Peidiwch becso, read that before, don't worry, self-dialect. Peidiwch a dweud dim byd, don't say anything. Peidiwch a chyffwrdd, don't touch. Peidiwch a gadael, we've had that, or similar, don't leave. Peidiwch ag anghofio, an ag, there we go. Peidiwch ag anghofio, because anghofio, to forget, begins with an a vowel. We have to use ag instead of a. Okay, peidiwch ag anghofio. Peidiwch a cherdded, there you go. There's aspirate mutation happening to the letter C, like peidiwch a chyffwrdd. Peidiwch a cherdded, don't walk. Right, other words that happen and phrases that happen today in the comedy video. Bore da, we know that. Nos da, amser codi, time to get up. Paid a gwneud, don't do. And he says don't do hwnna. Paid a wneud, na. He'll watch it anyway. Dwi yn gweithio'n caled. I'm working hard. Gweithio caled. Mefus, strawberries. Cymwch, lobster. Other words. Penblwydd, 3 different spellings for you there. It means birthday. 2 words for head or mane or chief. And the word for year, pen and year. Not the 2 words for head. 2 words altogether. 1 word for head, 1 word for year in the word birthday. Or pen or end or chief, mane. No, it's preve, isn't it? Pen, end, top. Yeah. Top, end, head. Translations for pen. Right, anyway. Dywedodd, 3rd person singular. Preterite of dweud. We're out of time. See you tomorrow.